If you spend a lot of time creating documents in Microsoft Word, you know how quickly writing can become tedious. But with a few simple tips and tricks, you can write faster, stay organized, and make your documents look professional in no time. Stick around until the end, and if this video helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips. One of the best ways to speed up writing is to use templates. Word offers a variety of pre-made templates for reports, letters, resumes, and more. Instead of starting from scratch every time, simply select a template that fits your needs and start typing. This saves you from formatting headaches and lets you focus on the content. Another powerful tip is to use the Quick Parts feature. If you often type the same phrases, greetings, or disclaimers, save them as quick parts so you can insert them with just a few clicks. This is perfect for repetitive work like emails, reports, or instructions, and it reduces the time you spend retyping common text. Keyboard shortcuts are also a huge time saver. Learning essential shortcuts like Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, Ctrl+Z to undo, and Ctrl+Shift+L for bullets can dramatically speed up your workflow. Pair these with navigation shortcuts like Ctrl+F to find text and Ctrl+Home/End to jump to the beginning or end of your document, and you'll be moving through Word like a pro. Using Word's editor and dictate features can also help you write faster. Editor gives instant grammar, spelling, and clarity suggestions, so you spend less time proofreading. Dictate allows you to speak your ideas instead of typing, which is perfect for brainstorming, rough drafts, or long documents. Finally, organize your document with styles, headings, and section breaks. This not only keeps your content structured, but also makes editing easier. Once your headings are applied, you can navigate large documents quickly using the navigation pane, saving time when making revisions or moving sections around. By combining these strategies, you can write documents faster, stay more organized, and produce professional results in Microsoft Word. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and share this video with someone who wants to get more done in less time. Thanks for watching.